Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log into a Helios mutual funds account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will guide you through on this video, and then you can log into your mutual funds account as well. First of all, just open up a Google browser and then go into your search bar and just type for Helios mutual funds login and hit on enter. After you do so, many results will pop up on your screen. Click on the link that says login. And now, this will take you to the official login site of Helios. And here, you need to input your PAN number and your password to continue to your account. Now, just input your PAN number here and your password here. But in case you forgot your password, you can also use this button Forgot Password to help you reset and retrieve it. And then after inputting your personal details, just tap on login and then you'll be logged in into your mutual funds account. And that's how you can log in into your Helios mutual funds account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.